Hello students, welcomes to you in this video. Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself, Master Kamini. Today I am going to teach you for Standard 2nd. My subject name is EVS. Unit number 2, that is food. Today I cover topic that textbook lesson reading and explain continue with example. In very first session we have to discuss about that food and plants gives us food, cereals, pulses and animals gives us food, that is meat, fish, eggs, milk, and plants gives us fruit, that fruits and vegetables. Also we have to given one activity that you have to draw your favorite fruit or favorite vegetable in your notebook. Now today we have to cover another part of this lesson, that textbook lesson reading and explanation continue. Okay, so let's start. There are three kinds of food. Number 1, energy giving food. Second, bodybuilding food. Third, protective food. There are three kinds of food that we have to discuss in this lesson. That is your EVS Cordova textbook, page number 146. I know that you don't have textbook, but today we share the book also, book screenshot or photocopy. I will show you in a next slide that energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. And next portion also I covered that water and cooking food. Okay, so let's we start that there are three kinds of food. First, energy giving food. Rice, potato, butter, cheese and sugar are energy giving food. They gives us energy to work, play and think. When we do not have energy, we feel tired. From the food item given in the picture alongside, how many food items do you eat? In next slide, I will show you the energy giving food picture. But just now I have to discuss about that energy giving food, that is rice, potato, butter, cheese and sugar are giving energy giving food. They gives us energy to work, play and think. When we do not have energy, we feel tired or feeling sick also. We have to eat some food like energy giving food. Not eat every day pizza, dosa, burger. Not eat every day. We have to eat energy giving food. See in the next picture that rice, butter, curd, pizza, potato, sabji, roti, chapati, dal, rice, etc. We have to eat energy giving food to our body because food is very important for all living beings. Now the in very previous slide I will ask the question arises that from the food items given in the picture alongside, how many food items do you eat? This is the question you have to ask in the slide, but you have to give an answer in front of your parents. Okay, next, bodybuilding food. First one I have to discuss about energy giving food, that the energy build in our body. Now we have to build bodybuilding food, discuss about bodybuilding food, that our bones are need to some bodybuilding foods. We have to eat like pulses, milk, fish, meat and eggs are bodybuilding foods. They build our bones and muscles. We have to, here no question arises, but in the previous slide I have to show the questions and picture also. In next slide I also describe you the picture also, that bodybuilding foods, that pulses, milk, fish, meat and eggs are bodybuilding foods. They build our bones and muscles. Next picture, see that bodybuilding food like eggs, pulses, milk. If the person is non-vegetarians, they eat fish, meat also, chicken also. But Vegetarian people eat vegetables, fruits, and pulses, etc. They have eat and build our body strong. We have strong person. We are strong person that we need our body building foods each and every day. Next, third number, protective food. Very first we have to discuss about energy giving food. Next, bodybuilding food. Third one, protective food. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. Fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They help us stay healthy. These food prevent us from falling sick. These food prevent us from falling sick. That we have to eat every day one fruit and one vegetable compulsory. We have to eat vegetables to cooked food. Suppose some vegetables we have to raw, like carrot we have to raw, but other vegetables potato are eat as a raw. No, raw means कच्चा potato नहीं खा सकते. Means we have to eat some vegetables are cooked and fruits are always eat as a raw and freshen up and wash properly, and then fruits and vegetables use for our daily life. Now once again I discuss about protective food, that fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. These questions I will ask in a short question, that what are the protective food? That fruits and vegetables are called protective food. They help us stay healthy. These food prevent us from falling sick. हम बीमार होने से बच सकते हैं, ऐसा कहना चाहते हैं. That means we have to eat protective food. Now we have to discuss about energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. I will see the picture of protective food. See, fruits, vegetables, all kinds of fruits, broccoli, and pictures you can see that all kinds of fruits they have to given here. In a very first session I will give you one activity also, that you have to draw your favorite vegetable and favorite fruit. Same here, vegetable and fruit are mixed up and they are our protective food. Now we have to discuss later part of your lesson, that is water. See in the picture how very happy girls drinking of water, because water is very important and all living beings need water each and every day. Our body needs a lot of water. Water help us digest the food we eat. हम जो खाना खाते हैं उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में वाटर हेल्प करता है. Our body needs a lot of water. Water help us digest the food we eat. It help us in throwing out the undigested food from our body. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day. We have to drink at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day, because water throw out the undigested food from our body and it helps to skin healthy and our stomach also. In a body more than 60% water in our body. Water help us digest the food we eat. It help us in throwing out the undigested food from our body. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day. We have to every day we have to drink at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day. How many glasses of water you have to drink? Dear students, this question arises from your parents and you have to give the answer from your parents, that we have to drink at least 6 to 8, 6 to 9, 6 to 10 glasses of water every day. Same as food is important and water is also important in our body. Here you can see the question of that. How many glasses of water do you drink every day? See in the slide you have to see the question, that you have to write down this question in your notebook, that how many glasses of water do you drink every day, and question will be written, and then immediately you have to write down answer, that I have to drink 6 to 8 glass every day. Okay, now our next lesson, that cooking food. We have to eat food, drink water, but which kinds of water we have to drink? Pure and purified water we have to drink, because too much dirty water make us falling sick. We have to become sick also. Dirty water we drink, that we have to falling sick. So we have to drink a clean and pure water. Our body need food and water too, but now we have to discuss about which kinds of food we have to eat, but it's a cook or not, because cooking food is very important for our body. We cook most of the things before we eat. We cook most of the things before we eat them. खाने से पहले हम खाना पकाते हैं. For example, your papa will come from the market and buy some vegetables, cereals and pulses from the market. Directly he came, and your mama will cook or not cook? Your mama will cook. That first of all, your mama will wash their vegetables, fruits, maybe cereals and pulses, make a proper place, and then they have to wash there, and then they cook, and then after you have to eat. Same way, we cook most of the things before we eat them. Some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomato and fresh fruits can be eaten as a raw. Raw means कच्चा खा सकते हो. Some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomato and fresh fruits can be eaten as a raw, but spinach, brinjal, some vegetables do not eat as a raw. They have to must cook before eat, because we are not animals that we have to eat some vegetable eaten as a raw. We have to eat is a cooked food. Some fruits or where most of fruits are eaten as a raw. They are not need to be cooked, because fruit always eaten as a raw, but most of the vegetables cannot be cooked and eaten as a raw. That is, carrot, radish, tomato and fresh fruit can be eaten as a raw. You have to one activity in your notebook, that one vegetables, you have to draw one vegetable eaten as a raw, and second page you have to draw one vegetable that cooked before we eat them. For example, I like carrot or tomato, that I have to draw carrot and tomato as eaten as a raw. But next page I have to draw brinjal or potato, that don't we have to eaten as a raw, that we have to cooked before eat. Now see, people who do not eat, the concept of vegetarians and non-vegetarians concept, that people who do not eat fish, eggs and meat are called vegetarians. People जो fish, eggs, meat नहीं खाते हैं, that means they eat as a vegetable, it's called vegetarians people. And people who eat fish, eggs and meat are called non-vegetarians people. That is, people who eat same, not only the fish, eggs and meat, they also eat vegetables too, but they eat both non-veg and veg, means vegetables and non-veg food, that is fish, eggs, seafood, meat, chicken, mutton, or are called non-vegetarians. Okay, that here the concept of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. In very next session I have to discuss about vegetarians people's food and non-vegetarians people's food. Last line, important lines of this lesson, that we should eat food at regular intervals, that we have to eat regular intervals, not a whole day you have to eat like a ghanti, means floor, that you have to eat like a in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. You have to regular intervals, and then you have to eat as a completely and food that if we have to eat, like early in the morning we have to eat breakfast. Second, early in the morning we have to eat breakfast. Second time in afternoon we have to eat lunch, and then evening time we have to drink some juice or tea, coffee, etc. And night we have to eat dinner. Okay, this is your regular intervals food. In next session I have to show that the timing of that watch and how to eat regular intervals food. Today we have to discuss about three kinds of food, that is energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Three kinds of food we have to eat. And water is very important, that we have to discuss in this lesson too. And cooking food, that we have to eat not food as a raw, but we have to eat cooking food, and always cook before eat and wash before we eat. And today we cover the concept of vegetarians and non-vegetarians too. Okay, we should eat food at a regular intervals. Very first session we have to discuss about we all need food, cannot live without food, and water too. Okay, and we get food from plants and animals, and then plants giving food. First session we have to discuss plants giving food, animal gives us food, and food, three kinds of food, and water and cooking food. The today we have to cover our lesson. Explanation is over. Now we have to come with next session with our textbook exercise, extra worksheet, and some more practice worksheet also I have to given in the next session. Okay, today we have to discuss about these kinds of food, and next slide I will show you the picture of that food also. See the protective food here. Protective food, watermelon, brinjal, banana, spinach, tomato, orange, capsicum, broccoli. Here the vegetables, pulses, cereals. Also we use the ginger. See in the all picture. Do you like the spinach? Most of the people don't like the spinach, but spinach is most important for our blood and our body iron maintained. So we have to eat spinach in a week, 3 or 2 times in a week. It's a very important in our body. Banana, you have to must eat each and every day one banana every day. That is your bodybuilding or protective food also. Okay, now we have to meet with next lesson and next exercise also. All the best for student.